This is the Sony 15mm f1.4. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we're gonna put it on to my Sony A6700. And it has a very, very tiny, small box. You need the size of my hands, and then look how small the box is right here. A bunch of pamphlets and stuff, which I'm sure you don't really care about, so we'll bypass all of that stuff right there. Let's get to the lens itself, and we'll take it right out of the box right here. And we do have a lens hood, which is included, which is really nice. We'll go ahead and take that off. And there is the lens itself. So it is a G lens. It's got the AF and MF, manual focus, autofocus. It's got a lock button right there. It's got a really nice smooth ring right there. And then we've got the little lens cap. We'll go ahead and take that off, and you can see beautiful lens, 55mm for the threads on there. And you can see its minimum focus distance is 0.2 meters or 0.66 feet. And we'll put that back on for a second. And we have the Sony mount piece right back here. And you can see it's all metal. Very, very good quality on this one right here. We'll leave that off. We'll actually put the lens hood on. And I believe you have to align it with that. And then it clicks right in. There we go. So there is the lens itself. And let's go ahead and grab my Sony A6700. We'll carefully put the lens down. We'll take this right off right here, and then we will align with that little circle right there, and that aligns with the circle on my camera, and then click. There we go, clicks right in, and that's just how it looks. So very, very small lens. I really like how you get a f1.4 15mm and a super, super tiny lens. We'll even take the lens hood off so you can just see how tiny that looks, but just absolutely gorgeous lens, and it's going to be excellent quality. This is just a first look unboxing of it. Just a very, very nice lens, definitely worth picking up.